Well, I'm back down in Florida, and it's time for another end-of-day video. And today, my brother applied the veneers to the glove box door. So that's on its way to being done. And let's see, the gas cap filler cover, what do you want to call it? I took that home, and I took one of those kits that you use to get rid of the fog on your headlights, and I sanded it with like 10 different kinds of sandpaper, and I couldn't get it to shine. I got it smooth, but I couldn't get it to shine. So he chucked this sucker up in his wood lathe and went at it a little more aggressively, and look at that. Turned out really nice. It's like a mirror almost too. Yeah. And we started the car today. I'm going to try and attach that brief video to the end of this, but we didn't get any oil pressure. Of course, we only let it run for like 2 or 3 seconds when we saw it didn't have any oil pressure. So, pull the distributor back out. Got his little priming tool on his electric drill and primed the pump. And as he was priming it, a big bubble or gush of air come out. So the thing must have had a big air pocket in it, because once that happened, we started getting oil pressure. So tomorrow, we're going to put the distributor back in, and we're going to run it again and see if we get oil pressure tomorrow. I'm thinking that's pretty much what we worked. Oh, and I got the muffler on. Yeah. Yes, sir, buddy. Yep, I think that's about it. So, later. Hey! Started though.
Good start. Almost wishing for an oil when it showed in the